Professor, I have a question. I think I'm even very simple. These cases I have eliminated already. See, to me, why should I get moksha?
Why should I?
Why? How do I know? All these cases saying if I get moksha, that I'll be liberated. To me, why? Where is the proof? Has somebody gotten it? How? And my question is, you say that, hey, I am born, I came with this, I have my imprints, I am going to radiate. How is suddenly moksha going to stop my radiation?
Okay, so your question is, why should I attain moksha?
What is moksha?
That's why I have defined. She has also defined.
No, so
It's just a definition. It's
Yeah.
another definition.
Okay.
Actually, words are not enough. You are asking the right thing. Actually, the right way to moksha is to ask those questions.
Right.
That is where you are going. You are going absolutely heading in that direction of self-transformation because you are absolutely asking the questions essential to move in that direction.
And when you're in school, what is moksha? Graduating from school. When you're in jail, what is moksha?
Every level is a different liberation.
Yeah.
Depending on which level you are at, your liberation is different. So every person's liberation is different. But what is your liberation at this point will evolve. That's what evolution is. And evolution doesn't take hundreds or thousands of years. You can evolve in just a few months. And in just a few months, your questions
No,
will
but my
also
question
change.
is, why do I even have to evolve? Why is somebody saying that I have to always evolve to the side?
No, nobody is saying that.
Because you
Don't worry.
Like if you're in elementary, would you rather be in elementary or go to first
No,
grade?
no, even that.
Elementary.
That's what you are an engineer, right? You are an RF engineer. I could understand because I am an RF engineer. I know that is how you talk at home, RF signal. And how did I know that? It's the waves he's talking about. Your waves are moving in, and the frequency is matching, so I know exactly how you talk. But why do you? It's okay. Nobody's pushing you. No one is pushing you.
No, I don't think anyone will push me. I can push.
Yeah, I know that. I have the answer for you. It doesn't work.
The mere fact that you're here.
I have the answer for
Here is the answer.
Anand sir. I have an answer for you, Anand sir. Because now you become like Vivekananda. Okay, so the day he asked, I want to see God, then only he searched for that and he was looking for a person to go and approach and he got the Guru and he attained that level. So you are like, in that step right now, you asked that question, what it mean by moksha and why I need to attain? You are in the first step. Keep searching.
That's why I wanted to ask you.
So, your question can be put like this. Your question can be put like this. Suppose you stand on the road. Why should I obey the road rules put by the government? Why should I obey?
No fatal accident.
Why should I obey?
To be alive.
From what you say, see, my imprint says that some cars will come,
Okay.
so I am going to get hurt.
Oh, yeah,
But
well.
from moksha, I don't have that imprint.
That is why now you are not, nobody is pushing you to the moksha. We are asking you to behave well. That's all. We are asking you to behave well so that you are not a nuisance to others. You are not a nuisance to your father. You are not a nuisance to your wife. You are not a nuisance to your children. That is what we are asking. Should you do or not? Is that not? Why should he call it moksha? You do this. I should be a good husband to my wife. I should be a good father to my children. That is what I ask. That is what I need. You are putting a word moksha. Why should you put the word moksha? Not necessary. I should be good for everybody. That's all. That's all I want. Otherwise, I am a nuisance in my family, in the society. That is why I obey the rules. Otherwise, I am a nuisance. The police will come and get you. Is it not? You can't argue with the police. I am a free man. Why should I follow your rules? You are living in the society. You should not be a nuisance. That is why I am living in my family. I should not be a nuisance to my wife. I should not be a nuisance to my father. Whether you call it moksha or not, this is the minimum I should follow. That's all.
Can we say, Professor, can we say moksha as liberation from karmas?
That is what I am saying. Moksha is a word. For that I have given already a definition. Is it not? Moksha is all the conditions I have. You have that in your mind. Why should you use the word moksha then? Are you a lovable daughter to your parents? Yes or no? That's right. You put the conditions, that's all. That's all we want.
That's true, but actually in the normal life, it's difficult to satisfy everyone.
There comes a problem. There arises a problem. See, the formally, without going to the downright cause, they use some words, that's all. I am not asking you to attain moksha, but I am asking you to be a good wife to your husband. Should be or not?
His definition of good will be different from mine.
Yeah, because one person's good becomes from bad for other person, right?
Yeah.
So good or bad is again a difficult thing to define.
Yeah. He is right. Good or bad is difficult to judge, but your conscience knows that. Your conscience knows that which is right and which is bad. You obey your conscience. That's all.
Isn't that moksha?
Huh? No, I'm not meeting the word for moksha.
Trying to see what is good.
No, he is asking which is bad, which is right. Your conscience tells.
And so that's why moksha is needed, because you have to come above this good, bad, good, bad, good, bad.
So we have given definitions for everything. Why should he hang on the word moksha? Moksha means this. If you do this, okay, fine. Why should I cling to the word moksha? Not necessary.
So does that mean different things to different people?
Yeah?
Moksha.
I am using, again you are using the word moksha. I have removed the word moksha. See, we are simply following the phrases given old people who have a limited knowledge. Now we understand in science, it's after all a bundle of frequencies. That's all. We have to live without giving any nuisance to anybody. That is all our life. What else is there?